Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. January 21, Trump it's in the office. Bitcoin still above 100k for the moment. Everything looks okayish. Good morning, Stefan. Good morning, Ivan. Good morning, Bova. Please tell me if the sound and the video is okay. Morning, Andrei. Okay, nice. Well, we have Bitcoin here on daily chart. Looking at daily chart, it's the start of my day. That's what I want to see. How the previous day closed and overall image. As you can see, we rejected pretty ugly yesterday with ups and downs, but yesterday candle doesn't look happy. Yeah, we accepted here. We took the high. We made a new all-time high, which is almost 110 here. And look where we closed. This candle is not actually bullish. When you see a candle making a new all-time high and looking like this, well, I don't know. In my book it says that I should be careful because we can see ugly development here. Look at it. Yeah, Bitcoin is still above 100k for the moment, but yesterday we had from 110 to 99, so more than $10,000 candle, and we decided to close all the way down here. That means, well, look at this, I'll market hedge here and I'll short. No, we have to go on lower time frame. Maybe we can push a bit higher, 104, 105, draw a short reload zone. But if the market we're lucky and will push to 105, 106, that will not make me bearish, don't get me wrong, but I'm more than convinced that I should hedge my portfolio. Simple as that. So if I'll see a bounce in the New York session, in the London session, at 104, 105, maybe 106 if we're lucky, I'll hedge my portfolio. And my stop loss will be above the all-time high. Yeah? So the higher it goes, more will convince me that I need to hedge. Will give me a better window of risk here. So I'll try to hedge my spot portfolio. I'm in a different situation than most of the people. I'm all in altcoins. I'm all in spot. I have my bag full. So I need to hedge if I'll see opportunities. I'm okay with what I did. I'm okay with my plan. I'm okay with being at close to the max. But at the same time, I'm a day trader, I'm a swing trader, I'm here every day, and if I see opportunities to hedge my portfolio, I'll do it. Simple as that. I know a lower time frame looks like, well, we'll push higher, Yeah, you'll push higher in a short reload zone, and if we're lucky and we'll get 105, maybe 106, I think we should look to hedge our portfolio. I'm not saying, well, I'm bearish now, short everything. No, I'm talking about Bitcoin now. So that's my thinking here. Indicators, well, not too many things I could say about indicators here lately. But I have the range, I have an attempt here, I have the second one, taking the liquidity. In the same time, we can consolidate and push higher. Well, yeah, I'll hedge, I'll get the stop loss hit, and the market will push higher. I'll be more than happy for that to happen. Bitcoin and everything else to push higher. When you hedge to protect, you don't hedge to make money. So you'll say, well, I don't like how the market is looking. I need to protect what I have and I'll hedge. But that doesn't mean you want that trade to win. Good morning, Hania. Good morning. Where I exit from Bitcoin? I don't see a top yet on higher time frame. I'll exit based on a weekly chart, rather, not on daily. Not here, not now. Okay, so still in the range. That's for sure. If you are thinking range on lower time frame, you will say, well, I have this range. I had a fake out, and now we are back in the range. Usually we'll go and test the lows. Usually. Now, that's Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Ethereum. You can see what I see here. This is the high. I'm on daily. 4,100. Okay, we test that on the dot. That was the local top. AB equals CD. Lower highs and lower lows. Let's hope that this is forming a range and will consolidate here. If we take this swing low, well, we still have some room to go in the long reload zone. Nothing bullish on the news side about Ethereum. Only stupid things. The only bullish news about Ethereum is that Trump Foundation is buying Ethereum. That's the only thing I could hear positive about Ethereum. That doesn't mean that I'm bearish and I'll sell Ethereum or I'll short Ethereum. No. I think we'll need more time to consolidate. A lot of people are selling Ethereum now. When they'll stop selling and nobody's left to sell, market will reverse and will push higher. I still think Ethereum has a place above 5, even 10K. Now, that's Ethereum here. On lower time frame, I could see this one as a range. I don't see anything special on indicators. I could see market ranging here. And we can play from short reload zone back and forth. $3,000 will be the support to hold. If, for example, we'll lose the level here, $3,000 on the weak side, well, and we'll go to 2,700 and we'll close back above 3,000, that could be a potential local top, like we had here. We pushed down, we pushed back up, we closed bullish, we retested, and we pushed higher. Look left on Ethereum and you'll see. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, we have something here. You can see this candle is telling us that maybe, just maybe, we can form a daily double here and we can reverse. Let me zoom out a little bit. We are at 78.6 from the entire range. This is the entire range from 0015 to 0087, and we are at 78.6. We had this pattern here, megaphone pattern. We framed this one long time ago, more than 1 year ago, and I said megaphone, and look at it, it's a fucking megaphone. Hard to trade. We are testing the low, 78.6. I'll repeat again. I'll zoom in and I'll repeat again. Not the time to be bearish on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Usually we want a W, but usually look what's happening when we test important levels. We go straight up. So I don't want to hear people, well, I'm bearish here. I want Ethereum is shit. Yeah, it's still really important in the crypto market. And just 2 or 3 decisions in Ethereum, and they could pump like no tomorrow. And at some point in time, Vitalik will have to do the decision, because the community will get more and more, will put more and more pressure on him. It's that simple. Or the community will change, will go on other networks, will just abandon Ethereum. For the moment, a lot of big guys, a lot of big money are on Ethereum, and they are putting a lot of pressure on Vitalik, because yeah, indeed, the market is in the bull market. The bull market is in the exponential phase almost, and Ethereum is not doing anything. Okay. 78.6, let's watch here for a W. If we'll get a W, that will mean we are lucky. Usually what we get on Ethereum, we get straight up, V bottom. We'll see. Total market cap. Pretty simple for me. I said it and I'll repeat it every day. Every daily crypto plan, I'll repeat that. Above 3 trillion, I'm bullish. Simple. Total 3. Still fighting 1 trillion market cap. It's really important, people, to watch this one. When we'll accept above 1.1, you will see the change. After you'll see the candle body close there and accepting that level as a support, you'll see the change in the next 3-5 days. Yeah? You'll just see how the market will move differently. So that's the overview. About Trump and what happened yesterday. Like I mentioned weeks ago, Trump is not a classic event. It's not an event you have every month, every year. It's one of 4 years. And Trump, it's quite different. You saw yesterday. Yeah? Don't expect the market to behave normally. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Well, okay, we have the news, people will sell. Because Trump will put some things in order. At least that he said in his campaign. And that development could change. Yeah? United States is a big market for crypto. If Trump will eliminate taxes, if Trump will make a Bitcoin or a crypto fund or a reserve for United States, there are a lot of things he can do. And he'll probably do it. A guy who launched a shitcoin, a meme coin, just before he become president again, he definitely has a team that understands crypto, will milk crypto, will take all the money he can, but in the same time, the good thing is that will bring the public in. How is the best approach to start the next exponential move in a bull market? Well, President of United States is making meme coins, is talking about crypto. No? The entire world will see that and will think, well, what the fuck is crypto? Yeah? So the best way to bring the public in, it's Trump. Simple. Don't think Trump is doing that for us or for crypto in general. He doesn't fucking care about crypto. He saw an opportunity to make money. And he will make money. But at the same time, we should pay attention and we should make money also. So, even if I want to hedge here, even if Bitcoin maybe will go to, I don't know, 90k, 80k, something like that. 75 or 70k. 69, let's call it 69. Something bad will happen. That will not make me overall bearish. Honestly, I'll buy more if we'll hit 70k. Simple. In my mind, it's pretty simple. I don't know. People are too used to use emotions. Well, it's dumping. Well, what will happen? Well, when I enter this market, I assume the risk. When I put the money in a shitcoin, I assume that will go to zero. When I made a crypto plan, or an investment crypto plan, I said hero or zero. It's that simple because you are in a risky market. Yeah? Even if you are buying dollar cost averaging, everything could go to zero. So I assume that. I'll be okay if everything will go to zero. So emotions as low as possible. I know I have to follow my plan. Let's look at lower time frame here. And I have 15-minute chart. Sorry for that, but it is what it is. I have this chart in front of me. My white line is still important, you can see here. Not exactly 100, just a little bit below. And look what happened. We had the high and we started a downtrend here. Now we are trying to consolidate, to stop bleeding. But usually what will happen, this is like an AB equals CD, people. I don't trust this move here, and I said it, I post this one here. I said, looks heavy, protect your capital. Don't be greedy, don't FOMO in. indeed we have a lot of altcoins in good levels, but Bitcoin looks heavy here. And Stefan in the morning asked me, well, you'll take this W, and I said no, I'll wait. Looks heavy on higher time frame. That's why we are doing the daily crypto plan, to see the bigger picture. I'll stay the fuck out from the market. What I'll do, yeah, because we said in the daily crypto plan in the overview part, I'll do something like this. If we're lucky and we'll push here, I'll hedge. I think we'll reach this level. Meh, I doubt it. I think 50% 38.2 it's a good level. So if you activate 38.2 here and in this level, from 38.2 above, I'll hunt any EM. Yeah? If we'll accept above 38.2, I'll hunt any EM and I'll try to hedge. Not on 50-minute chart, probably on 1 hour. But you get my idea. Okay? If I'm wrong. If the market is indeed too bullish and will push higher and higher, well, I'll be more than happy to lose that hedge. Hedge is like assurance. I'm trying to protect something. Morning, Bukur. Okay. 4-hour chart. That should be our team here. Yesterday, kind of here. So this was the event. If you put it on daily chart, well, yesterday was the top. So Trump inauguration still marked the top. And we'll let this one here, just to have it, just to have it here as a reference point. Was the Trump inauguration marking the local top or not? I think it is. Honestly, I think it is. But that's just me. We can dump from straight from here. Yes, we can. Look at the. Let's hide the ink on daily. Yeah. We can dump from here. Yeah, we can do a V top here. Pretty classic. So that's my thinking on lower time frame, people. 1 hour chart I think is the best, or even lower time frame. If you'll see the market bouncing here, that's an opportunity to hedge your spot. Now let's look at Ethereum on lower time frame. I don't know if it's something special. It's something I should do on Ethereum. Honestly, I think on Ethereum I should wait for the lows here to be taken out and then make a W and maybe close to 3,000. For the moment, I don't see anything special. I see a range. If Bitcoin will not drop like a hammer, maybe Ethereum has enough strength to push higher and recover from that ugly area. But for the moment, I prefer to focus on Bitcoin still. Altcoins here, well, I don't see too much development on altcoins. Let me clear this one. It's ugly. Anyway, let's put 4-hour chart. Well, you can see classic. We made the top. Everyone was bullish on Solana. Well, Solana can manage a lot of transactions. Well, will go to moon $1,000. And then we dropped. And then we bearish retest. And then we dropped again. And we are getting back to $200. But here, nobody was saying, well, let's short Solana. Only a stupid trader like me and Stefan was shorting Solana there. Sorry, people, but if I saw an opportunity, I had to take it there. And I made nice money for 2 weeks with the trades I made in the weekend. Yeah. So that's my thinking here. I don't want to touch Solana, not even here. Where we should think about Solana. Let's just use the simple approach we have. Well, first of all, pump chasers. Well, we are there. Please give me a clear W. Well, no W. Well, sorry. I have to wait lower. And then look left. Well, we have some support here. So, W here, okay. If will happen. If not, long reload zone. In the $200 area, if I'll see a W with some bullish divergence, I'll take it. Here, Exactly like the market is looking now, it's looking damn ugly. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Up, down, up, lower, lower, high, accepting below this level, big M. Target for the big M, 190, 78.6. Okay, I know. Yeah, Solana will go to $2,000 this cycle, but not today. And we are in a daily crypto plan. I'm more than interested to see what I can do today, tomorrow, this week. Simple as that. I didn't take a look, Jade. You can go on economic calendar and find out. For the moment, all that matters is what Trump is doing. The focus is there. So we should pay attention what Trump is saying, what Trump is signing, what Trump is developing. Everyone is looking in the same direction. Tao. Well, Tao was bullish, was nice. Well, not so nice. Remember when I said I hate Tao, I hate this pattern here because it's ugly? Well, seems like we'll get that level. As Stefan was saying, we are laughing in the live streams. Yeah, people said, well, $360 is impossible. Really? Just wait a little bit. Just wait a little bit. Sorry, people. I'm making fun, but sometimes when I see people, well, it's impossible. Well, when I remember what was impossible in 2017, what was impossible in 2018, what was impossible in 2019, and so on. I remember when I got in crypto, it was impossible for Bitcoin to accept above $10,000. Well, we reached 20,000. Then was impossible to break $6,000 to the downside. Well, we got $3,000. And so on. I could give you tons of examples. It's impossible. Will never happen. Will go straight up. Well, come on. There's a reason that from all these things I have from 2017 until now, I decided to use long reload zone. I decided to take this approach, to use these setups. Because I tested a lot of setups and tools, and I kept what I consider that is most efficient. Okay, so Tao here doesn't look too bullish. On lower time frame, I don't know, Stefan, if you really want here an SFU on lower time frame, okay, I don't know, 5-minute chart, it's possible, but overall, it's looking heavy. Similar to TIA. But TIA has a damn good location here. It's a good opportunity to buy some TIA here. If we'll accept below $4, even better. If we'll go to, if you remember, someone said here it's a good opportunity. It's a gift at 2.5, $2. It's possible. People don't think TIA will stay forever at 4. If something bad will happen, TIA could test $2 again. What will happen at $2? I'll buy with two hands. Simple. If will happen. Looks heavy, but at the same time we have a good location. 88.6. Even if we'll drop now, let's say Bitcoin will reach 80 or I don't know, any level. Altcoins will recover really nice and fast usually from these levels. Because not too many people are left to sell. And when nobody is selling and 2 or 3 people are buying, the price is growing up. If more people will show up, the price is pushing more pressure to the upside. Why? Because nobody is left to fucking sell. Anyway, a lot of altcoins look similar here. Good location, no W. Buy. Good location, 78.6, no W. If I'll see a W at 78.6, that's a buying opportunity. So, it's just a couple of examples on 4-hour chart. We don't need to go on lower time frame. Wait for a W, but think long on them. Hunt W's here. Don't ask me, well, we'll go lower with the intention to short it here. It's simple as that, people. Stefan, please confirm to the people if you'll do a live stream today, so we know what we'll do. So let's see if Stefan has time to do the day trading with Stefan for today, and we'll do another public live stream. By the way, New York session, it's open to all the people in the Discord. Every Tuesday, the New York session is open to everyone. You need to be verified, but well, Hania is saying something about a higher time frame. Let's see what Hania is seeing here. Investment. Let me do something here, Hania. If investment wise, yeah, could push lower at 78.6, yeah, but you are retesting the weekly double here. So I get your idea, you are right. If you want to invest, just to buy and hold, it's a good level. To dollar cost average, use little old lady, damn good level. If you want to wait for a trade, for a position trade, for example, Hania, you should wait for the next W to happen here. Weekly W is the best you can do, but will take a long time. Maybe a daily W, maybe, just maybe. So you can see here, we have the drop, we have the support, a daily W here, preferably at 78.6 here in this area. So in this area, if you see a daily W, that's an opportunity to put a position trade. So we'll take, I don't know, couple of weeks, couple of months to develop. Position trading is made on spot, but what's the difference between investing and position trading? Well, on investment, I'm not necessarily using a stop loss. I could risk to zero. Okay. I could use the dollar cost average. Dollar cost average usually means I'll risk to zero. Little old lady, I don't have a stop loss. Position trading on the other side is trading on higher time frame. So I have a stop loss, I have a take profit. I'm playing on spot, but if my trade, my idea is invalidated, I'll get the fuck out. Yeah? So that's a difference between position trading and investing, because some people ask me. Yeah, you are still playing setups. And you can even draw another long reload zone here. Let's clean it up, this one. Okay, you can draw a classic long reload zone. Now you can see you have the long reload zone here. You have everything you need. You just need a W. And probably you'll have divergence, you'll have everything. If something like this will happen. Okay? Simple as that. Let's put a retest also here. Usually we get a retest. And the target will be kind of in this area, candle body highs. You will not close everything here, you'll manage to do something. Well, nice OBV here. I like it. But everything, or almost everything on the altcoins looks similar, like this one. Not exactly, but we have location on most of them. And people don't appreciate the location until they'll see the setup, they'll hesitate to take the setup, then the market will pump, and then they'll say, well, fuck it, look at it, how nice it was. Like here, you had the W's, you had everything here, big W. Well, was here at 2 cents, and now I have to buy it at 3 cents. No, I'll wait for lower. You had the retest. Well, no, I'm waiting for lower. Look what happened. Probably the same will happen here. For the most of the people. For Hania, no. Hania will, she's consistent, will buy the W and probably make a really nice profit. More than welcome, Hania. Dow on 4-hour chart. Well, let's take a look at Dow. KuCoin. I don't think the 4-hour chart is giving you too much here, Rado. I don't think it's giving you too many things to do. Yeah, you can do a simple. You have location on higher time frame. Let's start with daily at least. You are in still a consolidation phase here. So okay, you have the range. You are close to the bottom. Let's assume that you are thinking bounce. Well, if you are thinking bounce, you have a good location, like I said 2 minutes ago. And something will probably happen. As you can see, we already had on 4-hour chart kind of a double here. But not a clear double. It was just a 4 candle W. But if you see another W here, you can play around. Love the OBV, nothing to complain. But I think you should wait for the next W to try to take a trade. If you ask me 4-hour chart, definitely you mean setups and you mean trading, not investing. Well, I already posted that, peep. I posted in Twitter, I posted everywhere, and you can see I have it on my already is here. It's already here. I don't need to zoom out too much. Why? Because it doesn't make a big difference if I'm on 1 hour or 4 hour. This is the entire history we have here. Okay, so we start here, we pushed higher, well, it's nice and shiny, it's the best thing ever. Well, not anymore. And now it's consolidating. I took a trade already here, but what I recommend to dollar cost average between 78.6, so from 2.5 cents to 1.3 and lower. So from this level here, you can dollar cost average if you know how to dollar cost average properly. Okay, it's a good level. I played the setup just because Bochan yesterday reminded me about this chart. And you can see W, breakout, retest, and I'm in profit here. But my position size is not so big. I'm okay with keeping this one even if it will fail. Now, you cannot buy with leverage here. You have to buy the coins. So I'll decide if the stop loss will hit. I'll decide if I'll keep, and I'll probably keep. If not everything, I'll keep some coins at the low there. But also we had a nice setup here. And people in New York session took it. I think Bochan took it, Stefan took the trade. I don't know if anyone else. You have a W on 4-hour chart, a small one. You can see what I really love to see in the market. 1 4-hour W at a good location, 88.6. And look at the reaction. We can consolidate more here. As long as we are below 2.5 cents, it's okay to dollar cost average. Yeah. Let's take a look at Trump. Well, look at it. Pretty simple, no? Double top, breaking down, retesting, going back down. I said I want Trump below 30 cents, $30, and a W to even think about hunting long ideas. Okay? Will happen? Probably. Could go all the way up here? Yeah, it could. But will go without me. I don't like the price action here. I don't have enough reasons to be long on Trump. If we'll come to $20, where I bought initial bag, okay. If we'll come here and we'll make a double, maybe we can frame a setup. Maybe we can trade something. I'm not talking investment on Trump coin. It's a meme coin, people. And a meme coin is supposed to do something funny and someone should post every day. But in the same time, if you'll get the right price, let's say we'll dump, imagine that you'll hear about Trump for the next 4 years every fucking day. So it's better than a meme in that sense. So it depends on you. Just remember that Trump has 80% of the supply. So just remember that. Melania, similar stuff. I had a guy in a VIP said that, well, this one will have to go to the level. Another trader that has a bit more experience with us said, well, it's a beta. Don't expect to go too high. And indeed, we reached $14 and we double topped, and look what happened. Will Melania perform? I don't know. I think they are grabbing money with this one. Could go back down at $10. Yeah, possible. Could push a bit higher. I don't know what Melania should do to push above $10 again. So overall, I decided from the beginning I don't want to play this game, and I said I knew about the coin at 2.5, $2, 2.4 in this area, and I decided not to touch it. Okay, why? I want to focus on Trump. I want to focus. This is my decision not to play it. Yeah, okay, we had an opportunity to make some money here, but no, I prefer Trump. If I'll see a sudden drop to $1 or something will happen, okay, I could find a trade, but nothing more than that. So, Stefan, you will do the live stream today? You didn't answer in the chat. Or maybe you said something on Discord and I don't see it. Okay, so we have Stefan in 20 minutes, half an hour, I think. You are back? Yeah, you said in Discord. I don't have Discord. I have too many screens here. I have too many windows open. I'm having even the second laptop here with some trades. No. Too many windows for me. My attention is limited. So, yeah, if you want to play a scalp here, it's possible. But I decided for myself that is not the case. Good location on everything, people. Look at this list. Yeah, it's still red. I'll say it again. Focus on higher time frame and buy spot. Buy some coins at the dip, at the lows. If you are not buying the lows now, means two things. Either you are full, like me, you don't have more room to buy it, and you're waiting for something special to happen to buy more. Or you think this time is different, and the coins will not pump this time. They fucking pump in 2023, they fucking pumped in 2024, and in 2025 will decide, well, no, I'm not pumping anymore. Come on. Just look at the charts. That will happen tomorrow? No. Okay. I don't see more requests, so let's call it a live stream. We have Stefan in 10-20 minutes talking about scalping and day trading. In the New York session, you can join if you are a Discord member. And last reason is that I'm kind of cold. I don't know. My nose is blocked. I don't know. Maybe I should just take a break and drink some tea or do something. I don't know. My voice is not the same. I'm feeling a bit different. Hopefully it's nothing serious. It's just cold and that's it. We'll see. Okay, people. Let's call it a live stream. See you next time.